Welcome to your morning flow from Lake Como. I'm glad you're here. If you want to grab your blocks, you can. If not, no worries. Just modify to whatever is best for you. Let's begin here at the front of your yoga mat. We're going to take a deep breath in, swooping the arms over the head. Big morning stretch here. Reach up and poke back. Good. Swan dive down, bend your knees if you like. If you have blocks, you can grab them here, especially this is your first forward fold of the day. Inhale, swooping up, leaning back, opening up that chest, placing your hands together in prayer, shoulders back, find that chair, warming up your body. Deep breath in, swooping up and back. And exhale, swan diving down, forward fold, blocks or no blocks, bent knees or not. Exhale, reverse swan dive, lift up. Deep invigorating breath here. Close your eyes. Take a long, slow breath in for 4, 3, 2, pause. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, pause. Today's intention is having positive thoughts throughout your day and recognizing when other ones creep up, just shifting them over. Like a cloud in the sky behind me, they're gonna pass. Deep breath up, but also recognizing them and feeling them, and then letting them go. Exhale out. All the way down this time, bend those knees, walking it back, noticing you're strong enough and made to move through things both mentally and physically. You can do hard things, dropping the knees, elbows in, chaturanga down. 2, you can either come up here, especially your first one, into Sphinx pose, Cobra, or if you want to pull back the shoulders, engage the quads, lifting to upward facing dog. From here, squeeze the core. Downward facing dog, drop the heels down. Exhale out, release any tension or stress going on. Shift your gaze to your hands, walk your feet there for forward fold, reverse swan dive, lean back. Hands to your heart, find your chair. Weight goes in the heels, engage your glutes. Inhale, lift up and back. Exhale, swan dive down, forward fold. Inhale, half rise. Exhale, forward fold, walk or jump back into a plank. Elbows in or not, chaturanga down, transition to whatever upward facing pose you prefer. Make sure that that lower back is not feeling any pressure. Tuck the toes under, downward facing dog. Shift your gaze to your hands, walk your feet there, forward fold. Reverse swan dive with a deep inhalation. Hands come to prayer. Exhale, very beautiful. One more time, inhaling back. Exhale, swan dive down. Inhale, half rise. Exhale, forward fold. Jump or walk back, plank. Getting you energized to combat any negativity. Exhale, hopefully it just doesn't see you or come your way. Drop down. Inhale, up. Shoulders back, open up here. Very good, downward facing dog. Shift your gaze to your hands, walk, jump, or step forward. Forward fold. Reverse swan dive up, lean back. Hands come to your prayer. Find that chair pose. Weight goes in the right leg. Left leg goes back. Swoop the arms up and cactus them back. Very nice. Clasp your hands behind your back. Roll back your shoulders. Lean forward. We're going to try a little balancing here. Come on up onto that right leg. Very nice. If you want to play a little Charlie's Angel gun with your hands, you can. Mental connection there. Drop the right leg down. Arms come up. Lean forward, step forward, chair. Reverse swan dive up. Exhale, going down. Forward fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive up. Find your chair. Weight goes in the left leg. Right leg kicks back. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, open, open, open. Clasp your hands behind your back. Charlie's Angel gun if you prefer. Bend the left leg. Come on up. Hold, hold, hold. Focus in the morning here. Focus on positive things. Look how strong you are. It's okay if you stumble. Find the good in everything. Drop the right leg down. Arms come up. Lean forward, step forward to chair. Inhale, reverse swan dive up. Hands come to prayer. Weight goes into the heels, find your chair. Holding strong. Right leg front, left leg back. Arms come up. And imagine we're gonna go into warrior two, opening up, prepping it down. You're coming down and you're chopping off any negative thoughts. A lot of visualization here. Straighten the right leg, reach for the good stuff. Drop the right hand down. If you want to use a block on the outside, you can. Maintain a nice flat torso here. Left arm up. Deep breath. Bend the right leg. Come on up. And we're going to windshield wipe off anything negative coming from warrior two, bending the right arm, reaching forward, and then coming to warrior two and then back. If you want to wrap the left hand, you can. Just go your own pace, flowing. All good things are in your path right now. You're wafting off any negative things. Very beautiful. Doesn't matter how many, don't even focus on that. Then come back to warrior two whenever you're ready. Square your chest to warrior one. Pivot the back foot, lean forward, step forward, chair. Take a deep inhale. And exhale, just go. Very nice. Inhale. Hitting the back of the vagus nerve, it calms yourself down. Exhale. Very beautiful. Coming back to your chair. Weight goes in the left leg. Right leg kicks back. Deep breath, inhale up. Remember, we're gonna chop stuff up. Woo! Get those negative thoughts out. Sometimes you gotta raise your own voice and a little bit of aggression out. Deep breath in. Exhale, release it out. Beautiful. Good, good, good. Don't take life too seriously. There's certain things that you need to, other things aren't worth your energy. Holding here. From here, let's dance it and waft it away. Back and over. Good. Inhale up. Transition back. Inhale up. Transition forward. Inhale up. And back. Then inhale up. Straighten the left leg, reach in front of you, drop the left hand. Right arm is up towards the sky. Very beautiful. Come on up, bend the left leg. Square your chest to the front, pivot, lean forward, step forward, remove any props. Inhale up and back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half rise. Forward fold. If I'm going too fast or too slow for you, go your own pace. Find your plank. We're not doing a traditional vinyasa. Downward facing dog. Drop those heels into the ground. Kick the right leg up to the sky. If you want to bend it and open it up, if you're feeling warm enough, you can do so. If not, gently place the right leg down. Left leg comes up to the sky. Bend it open. Take it over if you'd like. Then gently drop it down. Wiggling out into a plank. Keep the right hand down. If you want to drop the right leg, you can. But we're going to go onto the right side for a right plank. Not sure if you can see it behind me or I guess in front of me, but the sea-doo plane, pretty cool coming in. Finding your plank here. Let's go. Dropping the left knee or not. Right arm come up. All the good things are coming your way. Holding here for 3, 2, 1. Placing down, dropping those knees down underneath those hips, heart up, chest up, chin up, and exhale, rounding, finding your cat and cow. Wonderful for morning alignment and warming up that spine, back and forth. Next, if you want to grab your blocks, we're going to go into camel pose. You don't even have to go back that far if you don't want to. Hands here, here. If you can grab your ankles, but a modified version with blocks are up and back, opening the chest up. Holding strong. Very nice. Deep breath. Beautiful. Gently drop down, coming down, and we're gonna go into our child's pose. We're leaving that back, sinking in here and hanging out here for a few moments. See if you can, if you have a block, place the pressure on the middle of your forehead and rock side to side. It helps put pressure on the region of your brain that regulates your hormones. So you can rock back and forth, or even just massage that forehead, or you just like the pressure. Yoga is always a practice, not a perfection. We look for the good in things, and we accept the other things, and then we release them. Way to show up this morning and do something wonderful for yourself. From here, let's stretch out those shoulders, remove that block. Hands come out, elbows come in, hands come in prayer. Drop them behind your head if you can. And breathe into the middle upper portion of your back. Then gently round on up. From here, we're gonna come on back, dropping your upper body back. If you wanna grab a block, you can. We're gonna lift up into bridge pose, and if you wanna make this passive, you can place a block underneath that lower portion. Make sure you adjust accordingly to where it feels right. It shouldn't be on your vertebrae, it should be a little bit lower. Might be a little bit on the lower ones, but make sure it's way down below, not uncomfortable in any way. Now from here, you can, if you're not without a block, you can lift your legs all the way up. Watch out for this neck region. If you have a block, you can lower it to the lower one and kick the legs up. Or if you want to remove it completely, you do you. Holding here. Shake out those legs. Shake, 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 shake. Flex the toes. Get that hamstring stretch in. Holding strong. We're going to bring both knees into our chest. Rock side to side here. Then remove any props out of the way. And we're going to drop both knees over to the left. If you want to cactus the right arm to the right, you can. If that's too intense, place it on your belly. Close your eyes and visualize the best version of yourself and how you want to show up for the rest of the day. What are you wearing? How are you talking? Who is around you? How are you breathing? Long, slow, and confident. Bring the knees into your chest. Lift up the lower back. Drop the knees over to the right, left arm out or over. Find what's best for you. Confident, controlled breaths. You can't control everything that's going on in life, but you have the power of controlling your breath, calming down, and if things surface, taking a few moments to respond instead of react, pulling away from emotions and coming into strategic clarity of your actions. Rocking side to side, maybe bringing your feet, 2 peace fingers, 2 big toes, happy baby, rock side to side. Feel free to straddle those legs out if you would like, and feel that stretch on the inner thighs going on. Very good. Let's kiss our feet together. And if you want to go into butterfly, placing them down, you can. You can put blocks on both sides if that's too intense, or you can completely make your legs long and reach your arms over the head. This time is just to relax, recharge, and fuel up that positive cup this morning. As you take a deep inhale, you fill yourself up with positive things. And as you exhale, you release any worries and you build up a protection barrier, bracing yourself. Not living in fear, but being aware. And noticing whenever you start to have things that quote unquote may trigger you or make you feel defensive, and whenever those come, maybe walk away or shut them down, finding your boundaries. Or just not even worrying about them and just breathing in this positive day. Imagine that clear skies are above you, all of those clouds just went away, and for the next few moments, you're lying with me here in Lake Como, enjoying yourself with no worries in the world. You can pause this video and lie here as long as you want. But if you're ready to kickstart your day with this awesome mentality, stretch those arms up, round on over maybe to the right side to help drain your heart, pushing up with the strength of your arms with no rush. Just come when you're ready. Ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips, holding here in this bright light that you created within you, feeling good. Bring your hands on your hips right now, shoulders back, noticing that you are powerful, you are strong, and you can do hard things. Hopefully you don't have many hard things today. Imagine everything's a breeze. And like the mountains behind you, whenever you look up tall, you realize how small so many things are and how so many things don't matter. Perspective. Deep breath, arms come up. Exhale, high. Hands come to your heart. The light within me honors and sees the radiating light of positive energy and good things within you. I honor you. Namaste. Thank you for practicing with me. If you like this video, please click the like button and hit subscribe for more and follow along. You can also find me on Instagram at Natalie Devis or on my website, unitymindbody.com. Thanks for being here.